Oh, it was Power here to review the PowerRider 01 DX Progrise key connector and amazing Hercules Progrise key. So technically, just like Geo and technically Build, this is our gimmick tower of the year, to which you're able to connect 4 Progrise keys into this thing. To which technically they just use this to get data off of more than one Progrise key, and it includes Amazing Hercules because it got featured once. So on the front we got 01 Vulcan and Valkyrie, and on the left we got Hirobi and Jin, which you can poorly see because of lighting. Got the Progrise key connector and Amazing Hercules. Then we got our 3 main riders, our rider trio of the year, the same thing. We got our warnings here, and then we got our details up there. We got 01 at the top. That's unique. So, must be instructions. So here's what's consistent in the set. We're being inconsistent with how we do this. Do we bring them in? Do we just cut to it? We just cut to it. So this thing is just packed like, how it's packed. It's like this essentially. Like the Progrise key is taped in there in its typical bubble wrap, and this thing is just shrink wrapped. Not shrink wrapped, but it's wrapped either way. Yeah, this is the Progrise key connector. It's just a piece of plastic that can fit 4 Progrise keys. It's really simple. It has tabs for them to push in and such. It's just this gray piece of plastic. And then, oops. So you're technically supposed to hold it with you because it's portable. Arto has 2 of these. Hirobi has 1. So yeah, that's how you do that. So obviously, let's take our Progrise keys and clip them in like so. So here's Gashapon biting shark. Just slot in like so. I'll do a different angle. So slot this in. And then Gashapon Amazing Hercules, which is technically spoiler. Like so. And then sliding in DX1 just like that. Any Progrise key that can fit in here if it can. Obviously this thing cannot fit because it's not meant to. So yeah, you can't put the Heat and Rise phone in there, but you can put all of these in there. I only put Gashapon just because they're the most friendly with the tabs. As if I did DX, this would have been folded really badly, and I don't want that. Because have you not seen my Shooting Wolf and Rushing Cheetah? So yeah, I'm just going to keep them in here, I guess, and take a look at the Progrise key itself. Amazing Hercules. So it's an interesting lime green, obviously named their ability is strong, the Hercules Beetle. The lime green base, the QR code. However, just like Hirobi, he does not have his number, but his number according to his Gashapon, he is 014. So we're missing something. And the connector had just fallen, and it's going to fall good. So taking off the tab for the sounds. Before we get to that, let's open it up and see the inside. Here's the robotic Hercules Beetle and its symbol. Now we can do the sounds. Hercules Beetle sounds really difficult. It's just really difficult to say. Hercules Beetles.
Hercules Beetle's ability.
So yeah. 4-star Isaac, because this is Hirobi's. One thing to know is that Amazing Hercules is one of the ones that has the longest text-to-speech phrase that it goes over the breakdown. Finishers.
Amazing Ascopia. Amazing Utopia.
As you can see from the logo, it's not really that great. But yeah. Next up, the 01 driver. I don't even know the distance of these two. It's like my issue is that I have to show both of these lights, but it's so difficult.
That flip the opponent helpless.
I really love that jingle so much. And also, I want to apologize. You can see some of the light coming through a spot in the middle. That's because, like, I dropped it. And I guess I scratched it.
Amazing impact!
It makes itself way more apparent on camera, which is kind of funny.
Amazing Terra Impact!
Volcanism. Do not do that to your Progrise keys. Like, even his phrase goes through that entire, like, armor sequence, which is pretty neat. Like, here I don't mind it.
Amazing blast!
Then we gotta buckle it up.
Amazing blast!
This would have been the first thing I would have done, but then that's like a bad trolling.
Progrise key confirmed. Ready to utilize. Hercules Beetle's ability. Amazing attacks!
I feel like I don't have to keep doing cuts, but you know, I don't want to do it in all one take.
Progrise key confirmed. Ready to utilize. Hercules Beetle's ability. Amazing Kamen shoot! Charge rise! Amazing charge!
power switch it is.
Charge rise.
So, overall, what I think about this thing is that I love it absolutely, mostly because of the Progrise key. But I do actually like the idea of this thing. I'll say it's at least obviously it's way more simplistic than like the Ride Watch Dizer, but this thing, like, I guess, like, to me personally, I feel like you don't really need it, but then if you just, if you want to like stack all your Progrise keys, like, and like not have them all laying around right next to you, then this is like a nice thing to save up a bunch of space. But obviously, you mostly would get this for the Amazing Hercules Progrise key, which, as of now, it's my absolute most favorite, just because of its jingle, which is sad. But I just really love this Progrise key so much, which is why this one coexists. Although I would have liked that to be metallic, but yeah, again, obviously, if you don't want to get this thing, I don't understand why you would not want this. Well, I think just because of its price, I recommend getting this for like around like $15 or so. I don't suggest the full price of like 24 and such. Or if you're, if you don't care and such, you can get the Gashpon Candy Toy one and deal with spoilers because I wasn't supposed to mention all of that. But yeah, that's essentially it for this video. So this is PowerRider, and I'll leave you people. Bye.